Oh, I hope I'm visible. So let me just start with the problem statement itself. Okay, I don't know if this would be successful or not. This is my first live stream, so let's see. Yeah, so it's the hello 2022 problem B, integer shop. The integers, so this was a problem statement. This is actually quite interesting problem. I just understood it after reading the codes of my friends, so I just explained it to you really fast. So I have an integer shop. Okay, the integer shop sells n segments. Okay, it sells n segments, and ith of them contains all the integers from li to ri, and it costs ci coins. What this says is, I hope my screen is pretty much visible. Yeah, it's visible. Okay, so uh, this is a shop which has n segments, and it has all the segments live from L to R, and each segment costs C number of coins. Okay, so it has L to R and it costs C coins. Tomorrow Vasya will go to the shop and will buy some segments there. He will get all the integers that appear in at least one of the bought segments. The total cost of the purchase is the sum of the costs of all segments in it. Okay, so I have there are lot of segments here. So this is one segment, this is another segment, and which costs C2 number of coins. Similarly, I have number of segments in this shop, and Vasya can go and buy the segments from this shop, and whatever segments he will buy, then he will have to pay the respective number of coins to buy those segments. It's pretty basic. Okay, after shopping, Vasya will get some integers as a gift. He will get integer x as a gift if and only if all the following conditions are satisfied. So see these conditions. Vasya hasn't bought x. Okay, so he will get integer x as a gift if and only if he hasn't bought x. Okay, and he has bought all the integers L that is less than x, and all the integers R that is greater than x. Fine. So what this says is, suppose Vasya buys from 2 to 4, and then this is one segment, and he buys another segment which lies from let's suppose 8 to 11. So all the intermediate numbers, which are 5, 6 and 7, these three numbers he will get as a gift, and he has to pay the cost of only this segment and this segment. Okay, this is cool. Okay, now for example, if Vasya buys 2 to 4 for 20 coins and segment 7 to 8 for 22 coins, he spends 42 coins and receives integers. Okay, this I explained to you. Due to technical issues, only the first S segments, that is from L1, L2, LR to LS, will be available tomorrow in the shop. Vasya wants to get or buy as many number of gifts, as many number of integers as possible. So he can do this in different ways. He selects the cheapest of them. Okay, so each S from 1 to n, find how many coins will Vasya spend if only the first segment will be there. First S segments will be there. So I have to find the answers for each S, which ranges from 1 to n, and I have to find how many coins will Vasya or I, if I am considering this situation, I have to pay if I want to buy the first S segments, and I will get the intermediate integers as my gift. So what this statement is pointing to, if there is another most of the people got confused in the overlapping conditions, like if 2 to 4, if there is another condition from 4 to 5, 4 to 6, another from 5 to 8 or something like that. So there are a lot of overlapping conditions in that. Okay, but the thing is, let me take an example and then only I can explain. If this is the example, like I will take a 144,589, huh? Yeah, I'll just write it this 144, after that 589. So I will take one by one, okay, because the problem is itself going from every integer from 1 to n. So I will just go from 1 to last element, last segments. So the first segment is from 1 to 4. So from 1 to 4, how much I have to pay if I want to buy these this segment? How much will I have to pay? This will be and how many integers will I get? In this first segment, I will get all the integers from 1 to 4, right? I will get all the integers from 1 to 4. And how much number of coins do I have to pay? I have to pay 4 coins, okay? So yeah, first case is pretty clear. It is 4. And in the second case, it's 589. So 589. How many coins do I have to pay? See, I have all the coins from 1 to 4, right? From here, and all the coins from 5 to 8 here. Okay, so I have all the coins which are now starting from 1 and ending at 8, right? To start from the minimum integer till now to the maximum integer till now. These statements are like, these are pretty like, you have to understand these statements. If you are buying the first s, if you are buying the first s segments, right, if you are buying the first s segments, then you have to have all the integers from the minimum till now to the minimum till now to the maximum till now. And okay, you have to just have those segments where you have to have all the integers starting from the minimum till now and maximum till now. So if I have to have all the integers from starting from 1 to 8, I have to buy both of these segments. So I will have to pay 4 plus 9, total 13 number of coins, right? So the second is 13. Third is 787. 787. So third is 7, 8, and these cost 7 number of coins. So I have, what is the maximum till now? Maximum till now is still 8. Maximum still till now is still 8, right? From starting from 1 to 8. I have answer as 13 in this case. But in this case, what I can do is I will just buy, okay, I'll just delete this extra stuff. So I will just what will I do? I will just buy this one and buy this one, only these two segments. And if I buy these two segments, then I have all the integers from 1 to 4 here, from 7 to 8 here, and all the integers in between, like 5. These are 5 comma 6. I will get as a gift, right? I will get as a gift. So I have all the integers from 1 to 8. So this will ultimately cost 4 plus 7, 11 number of coins. See the answer? The third case is 11, right? Now fourth, 210, 252. So it is starting from 2, ending at 10, and I have to pay 252 coins if I have to buy these segments. Okay. So what is the maximum till now? So the maximum has now changed to 10 and minimum is still 1. Okay. So I have to buy this segment as well as this segment in order to achieve the minimum as well as maximum number of integers till now. So how many number of coins do I have to pay? I have to pay 4 plus 252. That will be 256, right? Yeah, 256. 256. Yeah, correct. I'm correct. It's 256. Now the fifth case, it is 1 to 11 and 271. This is 1 to 11 to 271, right? So what is the minimum till now? Minimum till now is 1. What is the maximum till now? Maximum till now has now updated to 11. So I don't require these. So I have to buy these. Oh, sorry. You have to observe this. we have, what is the minimum till now? Minimum till now is 1 and maximum till now is 11. So I need not to buy this first segment now. I can just buy this 1 to 11 segment, and it will just complete all the coins from 1 to 11 till now, right? So the answer for this test case is just exactly the number of coins do I have to pay for this segment. And what is the last? It is 1 to 10 and then 1. So it is 1 to 10 and then it will cost just 1 coin. But what is the maximum till now? Maximum is this. Maximum is this one. And minimum till now is 1. And this segment itself covers the last segment too, because we have all the coins from 1 to 10 in this segment also. So the minimum till now and maximum till now are all included in this segment, unless we suppose there may be other segments too. So unless I don't have, suppose it is 2, 13 and something like that. So unless I am not getting any maximum which is greater than the previous maximum, I need not to change this segment, because this segment has all the integers starting from the minimum to the maximum. So this will ultimately, this will be the answer. I hope you are getting in insights to what the approach you have to use. So I have to take the first S segments, and S is ranging from 1 to n, from 1 to n, it is ranging from 1 to n, and I have to take all the integers from minimum to the maximum till now, right? Let's see the code once. So are you anyone? Yeah, people are watching. Okay. So let's see the code. Okay, let me first reply. Okay, what's my handle? It's at strikes itself. Okay, so here's the code. This is the number of test cases, number of segments, and is the number of segments, and this is the number of test cases. If you are not able to get any of this format, you can just write in the chat. I will just reply to it. Okay, now I have taken two variables. One is low and one is high. What are these lows and highs? These lows and highs are the minimum and maximum till now. Okay, till now. And what is the now? Now is S, which ranges from 1 to n. And I have taken a cost pair. This is a map or dictionary, whatever you can use according to your language. So I have taken another dictionary. This is a default dictionary which has a predefined value as int, but we can just replace it by a simple dictionary also. Earlier I used an approach where I used this default dictionary, but you can just use an ordinary dictionary, which I have used like minimum cost. Okay, so for I in range and for every segment, I have starting all the integers at L, R, C are given. So L is the starting integer, L, R is the upper limit, and C is the cost. So if this whole pair L to R is not present in the cost pair, so basically cost pair is a dictionary which what is it storing? Which store the pairwise cost. Okay, pairwise cost. Why do I require this pairwise cost? This is because when I have to deal with these kinds of situations where I have a superset of segments which has all the integers starting from the low minimum till now to the maximum. So to handle these kinds of cases, I just have to take the cost pair. So this cost pair has a cost of the pair itself. Okay, so I have just appended it to the list, to the dictionary, and if this value is already present in the dictionary, then I have taken the minimum out of the two. Because suppose there is another segment which is like 1 to 11 and it costs only 50 coins, so I have to take the minimum out of these two, minimum out of 50 and 271. So that is definitely I will prefer these. Okay, I will prefer these. So I've taken minimum out of the two cost pairs, and then I have taken another dictionary which is minimum cost, and it stores the individual minimum cost of the respective limits, you can say. So suppose in order to get the minimum, I have to pay 4 coins. Suppose there is another limit 1 to 2 and I just have to pay 1 coin to it. So why would I choose this one if I am getting this one. Okay, so I will definitely prefer this. So I have stored the minimum cost to obtain the minimum till now. So that is this one, minimum cost. So minimum cost to, so I have to this stores the minimum cost to obtain the minimum or maximum till now. Okay, so this is basically storing the minimum cost for the lowest, and this is storing the minimum cost for the upper limit to the r, and r is given for each test case. So this minimum cost L, yeah, the minimum cost of L is minimum of this cost and C. So this is it. So if one has a 4 cost 4 and another segment where one has a cost 1, so I will definitely prefer this. So I have taken minimum out of the two. Yeah, it is the minimum of the two. And similarly for the upper limits also, and I have taken the low and high. What are these lows and highs? I have written it as here the minimum and maximum till now, because S is ranging from 1 to N, right? So this is the answer, and answer is for each test case and it will be different. So I have taken the minimum cost of the low plus minimum cost of obtaining the high. I'll just write in the comments. Okay, minimum cost to obtain the minimum till now and maximum till now for each S ranging from 1 to N. Okay, so I've taken this cost and I have just added the two. And if this particular pair of low and high, what this means is the cost of minimum till now and maximum till now is already present in the cost pair, and cost pair is storing the pairwise cost. So this was the case. This was the case where two pairs, these two pairs, these are actually already present in the dictionary. So I have taken the minimum of the two, or any other case, because there can be this segment also, a 1 to 11, which has a cost of 50. So I have to just compare these two costs also, right? This is what I have done here, and I just print the answer. So let me just submit this one. Is the system testing over? Yeah, system testing is over. Desktop course test.py. Yeah, it works. So I think you have got the idea, and I'll just post this video also. Yeah, and this is my first live streaming experience, so yeah, okay, I think you have got the idea, and I just end the stream. Bye bye. Please subscribe to this channel.